Hey guys, we all know this, the wireless G router. Really something special. You can see my one with the mounting bracket. I bought this for €2.50 local. It looks great. It works great. It's about 20 megabytes quick with speed test. And in the past I had the Web 11 version, so that's a little bit older, and I had a Blue Box mod installed on it, so it made automatically connection to any open wireless network and could even combine some of the networks that I can remember. What I seen in that time in the magazine was a wireless signal booster for this wireless devices, for this Linksys, and I've seen it in the magazines, and it was almost impossible to get hold of one back in the day for a reasonable amount of money. It was just not feasible to import one, and if I could find one. But today is today, and we have a Linksys WSB24 wireless signal booster. So I imported this from the US, so I need a US to Europe converter, or Europe to US converter. And let's open it up and see how it is, if it is working. So yeah, let's open the box. Let's see how I'm gonna open that. This is the way to go in. Okay guys, it looks like we have a brand new product. That's really awesome. This is unexpected, and it's brand new in the box. It's only open here, but here we can see an old price tag. Maybe it's from a second-hand store or something, but the product itself is new, and this is, I consider it as rare. In Europe you cannot find anything. I've searched inquiries, I hope it's the good word, for years now and never seen one. So I imported this one for a reasonable price. I think total it's 50 or 60 euro. It's of course too old, but it's really cool. It's an actually signal booster, not a range extender. This really increases the power of your signal, and I think it's 250 milliwatt. Here you can see it's designed for the Web 11, but I guarantee you it also works on other 2.4 gigahertz devices. So this one should work just fine. Increase your wireless signal coverage. Wireless transmissions become more efficient, and yeah. Save on wiring cost with enterprise level coverage. Technisch support, we're gonna try that technisch support. 24 hours, 7 days a week, toll free. All right, we're gonna do that. And 1 year limited warning. So yeah, it's really cool. This is really cool. Totally new, plus 14 dBm gain. This is really cool. Cool stickers all. I'm really excited, guys. This must be opened. So let's open this package up and let's see what's inside. We have some serious mold here, something. Okay, this is the moment. Let's open it up. And here we go, guys. Totally new in the box. Oh, wow. There's some dust, you can see, but it's perfectly, it looks perfectly. Oh wow, new in the box. The US adapter. I think it's an old one. I feel it on it's really heavy, so this is not a switching adapter, I think. And can it do 220? We have 240, 250 volts here. Yeah, no problem, to 40 volts. These are the, how they're called, RPC connectors. Back in the day, like in, what was it, 1999 or something, 2000, it was really hard to come by these connectors. Really expensive, really hard. It is a Philips connector, and these are the connectors we all know. Let's put it on this one. This is going to be epic. Never thought I'm going to see this day a router of Linksys with the original single booster. Okay, brand new on the box. I put it on it. Let's now connect it, turn it over, remove these two antennas, put them here. And this is gonna connect here, this is gonna connect here. Let's do that. All right, first problem. This is not fitting. So what you have to do is to pull this really hard back, like this. And now the fitting, and you can put this plastic cover after it on. I've seen a video of people thinking this is an older antenna, but because of the plastic, there's one recently uploaded, but if you put it back, you get a metal connector. All right, let's go continue. All right, it's complete. This is really epic. A G router with a single booster. This is a really powerful setup, to be honest. 250 milliwatts. This is really great. I should buy the Linksys switch. I think it is a switch. You can put this around below it. Hard to find here in Europe. And there is a special antenna kit for the WEB11 and the G-type routers. It's a 7 dB antenna. But I could not find it anywhere in Europe locally for a feasible price. So if someone has it and want to send it to me, please. I'm looking for it and I could not find it. It's a Linksys 7 dB antenna. You have them in blue with a special holder to keep them nice and straight. And I think you have a green one. I don't know for which router that was, but that's also really nice, also 7 dB. That would be a really epic setup. I intend to use this one. I intend to use this setup for something in-house, because it's too cool to not do. But this is really epic. This is how it looks. I think this is the only video showing this setup complete. And maybe I make a video when it's running. If you want to see it, let me know. I put a video out with speed test and range. If you don't want to see that, that's fine too. So yeah, I think it's really cool. This is really something historical. Especially this was banned because just too powerful. At least in Europe, it was too powerful. 20 dB was the max. That's about 100 milliwatts, and this making it 250 milliwatts, I think. So it's a quarter of watt to 2.4 is really much. And there is also a receive booster. So yeah, this must be working really powerful. I noticed that the modern routers don't have the coverage like the old ones. With the old ones I could do my whole apartment with one Linksys router. Later with the N wireless standard, and later on with the 5 gigahertz. It is just not the coverage they had in the old days. And there are a lot more people using the devices. In the old days I was war driving, that's how it's called, to find any open access point, and you drive a lot, especially through Amsterdam, and you find a handful of devices. And most of the people, they had a wireless device that I found. I knew that people, I know they were working in the industry to make wireless possible. So there was a handful of people. And nowadays it's so full that 2.4 suffers from it. But now it's getting a little bit less full because you have the 5 and the 6 gigahertz devices coming. And yeah, it's getting a little bit less crowded. And the single boost, you can use it also for other devices like... This is a CCTV system. You can also hook it on this system and have a better range. Guys, what do you think? Is it cool? Also a shout out to this guy, making really cool videos about these old routers. You can see his older video, and I already suggested him to get the wireless Linksys range extender or booster. It is actually amplifier, real amplifier. So this guy, you need this product, man. It makes it complete. And if someone has this old antenna, here you have one in some country, but I don't know how much this is. But actually, yeah, someone has this. I really love to have this one to make it complete. Thank you for watching and see you next time.